Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to do a Google search. I've kind of heard people say they tried searching for something on Google or on the internet and they weren't able to, find that stuff, to find what they are looking for. Or, some people kind of have challenges in doing this. Perhaps, students, teachers, or any personnel. So let's jump right into it. So on my screen, you can see a Google web page, search web page. So here we have the search box, and here we have the address bar, right? So this is where you type in, the keywords or what you're looking for, right? And you would notice beside the search box, we have the mic, the voice icon, we have the camera icon. So they both represent search by voice and search by image respectively. So we are going to come back to these. So this interface, it's remains the same for a mobile phone, mobile device and computer. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing, remain simple and precise, right? Remain simple and precise. For example, let's look for factors of production, right? So we jump right to our search box and we type factors of production. And you'd notice as we type factors of production, Google is going to drop some suggestions. Google drops some suggestions. We have factors of production in economics, factors of production PDF, and their rewards. So you might notice your interest among these suggestions, and you just click and you're okay, and that's still fine. You might want just notes, and that's fine. So let's say we just want factors of production. Let's just type that and press enter, and there you go. We have our search results pages, right? Our search result page, and on this page we have various options available for us to explore, right? So we have the first result. So usually many persons prefer reading these first, reading this meta description or this excerpt, right? And maybe this might match your interest or meet actually what you're looking for. For example, if I'm just I'm looking for the 4 points, without explanation, just 4 points, going through these already gives me that answer I'm looking for. You can notice we have land, we have labor, we have entrepreneurship, and we have capital, right? And that's already my answer, right? But you might equally want to explore the explanations. So you might want to click this and explore what's written there on the website. So if I open on a new tab, you would find this website and where everything is written on it, right? Equally, if you scroll down, you're going to notice Google will drops another suggestion. People also ask, where if you click on this drop down, you're going to find some more information, right? So you'd notice here that we have about 1,240,000,000 results. So that tells us that this is not just the only page. This is just our first page, and we have other pages. Page 2, we can click on next to get more results. And if you want to change the search perhaps keyword or what you're looking for, or the phrase, you can add here. So the rule remains: be precise, right? Be precise. Be precise. You might want to do research about something in school, a subject, as a student, as a teacher, or anyone. Be precise, right? Exactly what you want. Now let's explore these tabs. These tabs equally helps us in getting exactly what we want. So on the first tab we have the all. So this gives you all results that can be found with the key phrase, right? Factors of production, which are we have text, we have images, we have books, we have news, videos, more. But if you want to get more precise down the pipeline, you could click on the books tabs. So you have all books related to factors of production. We have the images tab. If you click on images, you're going to find images related to factors of production. This might be useful for teachers, lecturers who might want to use any images related to these, or students, right? We have news, right? Any news regarding the factors of production, and videos. And Google equally gives you an advantage to get more. So make use of these tabs. In most cases, you might find exactly what you're looking for on the first page, right? And perhaps on the excerpt or the meta description, you might find exactly what you're looking for. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, beside the search bar, we have a search by voice feature. So you might want to search by voice. You just need to click there and make sure you're pronouncing it the right way, and that's good to go. Now we have another interesting feature, which is search by image. And how does this work? For example, you might find an object around you, or perhaps an insect or whatever, and you don't know how it is called, right? You don't know what's the name, or you might want to get more information about that. You simply need to take a shot of that object, or that insect or whatever, and by pressing on or clicking on the search by image, you upload that image and you hit OK, and you're going to search, and Google is going to find every image on the web that is related to that image, that resembles that image, and would give you exact information that you're looking for, right? Now next tip, you can search with by precising what kind of resource you want. For example, you might want a PDF file on factors of production, so it doesn't hurt if you type factors of production and you just add a PDF below, and by doing that you're going to have your search results. Any search result that is a file, a PDF file, will be labeled PDF. So as you know, PDF isn't the only type of file format. You might want a PowerPoint presentation, perhaps as a teacher, PowerPoint presentation on factors of production, ready-made. So by typing factors of production PPT, you're going to get your search result, and any search result that matches the PowerPoint file type, you're going to find a label beside PPT, and on opening that, you're going to download, and that's going to be the result, and that's going to be the PowerPoint. Yes, as you can notice here, there we go. Next, you might want to search for any resource, but you might want to get that resource from a specific website, right? Firstly, from a specific website. So all you need to do is buy. Okay, let's use this example. Let's say June, let's say 2019 physics, right? But I might want to search this generally on the web, right? But equally, I can still precise which website should be considered as priority. So I might want to first check if it's on. I might want this paper on gcerevision.com, right? So by hitting search, enter, I'll have that result on this, right? You might as well do that without this column. It still works fine, right? Okay, so have this in mind as you do search on Google. And remember, we've talked about the use of tabs, being precise, search by voice, search by images. I would like to get any other video you might want regarding this, or any tutorial which will surely be of help. Do well to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and drop any comment, any contribution you might have. Thank you. See you in the next video.